TVS मोटर कंपनीन बेस्ट इन क्लास ऑन रोड रेंज भरिल्ली नवी TVS iQube इलेक्ट्रिक स्कूटरीचे निकतेच उक्तावण केले. तांकां व्हड प्रतिसादय मेळ्ळा. ह्या स्कूटरीक जायत्यो इंटेलिजंट कनेक्टेड ऑफरी आसात. 7 इंच TFT टच स्क्रीन आणि क्लीन UI, TVS Qube Alexa स्किल सेट, म्युझिक प्लेयर नियंत्रण, OTA अपडेट, प्लग अँड प्ले कॅरी चार्जर, ब्लूटूथ, 32 लिटर स्टोरेज अशो बऱ्यो सुविधा आसात. पळयात.
So TVS iQube Electric, this is the first electric scooter from the house of TVS Motor Company. This is a very special product for us. It comes with a lot of high performance, pickup and top speed specs. This is if a scooter is truly connected, this is the one from our house. This has 118 smart features and it comes with a complete digital purchase experience. So both pre and post. So today, any customer who wants to buy a TVS iQube, he has to go to our website tvsmotor.com/iQube. There the bookings are open and the customer makes a booking there. We have centered the entire purchase experience and ownership experience digitally because we think customer experience is the most important. That is the best way of providing it today. So any customer who books an iQube today is dedicated a relationship manager. This is, I think, the first in the industry.